In today lecture, we are learning how to invite students in the Google Classroom. So click on the Google Classroom from the Google menu. So select the proper class. Which one is, because here is only one class is in the. So we'll select our proper class. We'll see all details. That is the required class in which we are trying to add the students. Yes, it is. Now we click on the pupils tag. Here is two options, teachers and students. We will click on the plus sign on against the students tab. So here is the invitation. Students window is open. I will write on the email address of the required students whom I want to add this in the class. So wait for a moment. Second students, type the email address of the second students. So there is no matter how many students you can add the students. Third one, and I will add the. So today we will add only 4 students to save the time. Fourth one is added. So after that I will click on the invitation button. Here it is. Click on the invitation button. So